Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my mini twists. I've had these in for about 2 weeks now, so it's definitely time to get these twists looking fresh and neat. Now, I just want to show you guys how my hair is looking so far. And this is after I've already washed my hair. As you can tell, I didn't have that much buildup at the roots because I only use very minimum products, which is good. But I do want to define my parts a little bit, as you can tell. So starting off, I'm just going to do around the perimeter of my hair first. And the first product that I'll be using is my Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. This is a fantastic product for adding moisture and softness to my hair. And I also want to make sure that I'm really rubbing this product in on my roots and also the ends of my hair, which tend to dry a lot faster. So I also like to massage the leave-in conditioner in my scalp. If you can tell, I'm not using my fingernails. I'm using the tips of my fingers, and this helps to keep my scalp hydrated. It can also help stimulate hair growth, and it's very important to be gentle and take your time with this step because you don't want to irritate your scalp. Okay, so now that the leave-in conditioner is applied, I'm just going to put my hair up in a bun just to move it out the way. And since we're just refreshing the twist, I'll be focusing on redoing the twist only around the perimeter of my head. So to start, I take down one twist at a time. I always detangle with my fingers first. This is crucial because it helps reduce the breakage and makes the hair more manageable. And after finger detangling, I go in with my rat tail comb to make sure there are no knots or tangles left. This step ensures that my twist will be smooth and neat. So for this particular refresh, I'm not adding any additional products to the roots of my hair. The only product I'll be using as I twist down is the Eco Styling Gel. The last video I did go in with some Shine and Jam towards the front of my hair. But this time I don't want any products on my roots because I do plan on keeping these twists in for another week and I want them to last as long as possible. Okay, so I went on ahead and finished the twist around the perimeter of my hair, and I just want to show you guys what the twists are looking like so far. I noticed like the back of my hair tends to be a lot thicker, and as I move to the front, it gets a little thinner. So right now I'm just going to take this ponytail down, and I do want to refresh the top of my hair also. So I'm just going to refresh the first two middle rows, especially since the top of my hair is the most visible part. Now that my twists are all refreshed, I'm going to go in with some Lotto Body Mousse. This mousse helps to set my twist, reduce frizz, and also add a bit of shine. I like to apply this all over my hair, making sure each twist gets a good amount. So next I'll be using my Do Grow hair oil. This oil is fantastic for promoting hair growth. I told you guys this in my last video. I also like to press the oil into my hair and scalp rather than just rubbing it on the surface. This ensures that your hair absorbs the oil better. This can also help to strengthen your hair, reduce breakage, and also promote a healthy scalp. Okay, so that's the end of this video. My twists are looking refreshed and looking great. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.